How to fix your Instagram if it is not working. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can fix your Instagram when it is not working. So, there may be various reasons as to why your Instagram may not be working, but even if the Instagram is working, sometimes it will automatically crash and it simply won't work as it used to work. So in this video, I'll show you various reasons as to why this problem may be occurring and ways to solve them. So the first reason may be your internet connection. As Instagram is an app which requires internet to work and function, you will need a stable internet connection in order to use Instagram. So if you don't have a stable internet connection, you won't be able to use it. Now, in case you are not being able to use your Instagram or it is not working, you can simply try switching to Wi-Fi from mobile data or switch to mobile data from Wi-Fi. Now, once you've done that, try opening your Instagram and then try using it. And if it still doesn't work, what you can do is go to Play Store, then search for Instagram, and then check whether your Instagram app is updated or not. So sometimes if your app is not updated, some features might be restricted and it may cause your Instagram to not work correctly and keep crashing. So that is one way on how you can solve your Instagram not working. Now the other is, if it still doesn't work, there may be something wrong with your phone. So simply try restarting your phone, or in worst case you can try uninstalling Instagram and then reinstalling it from there. Now once you've done all of these, if it still doesn't work, simply go to settings, scroll down and then go to apps. Now scroll down and then locate Instagram. And then you can either try force stopping, and if it still doesn't work, try clearing your cache and the entire data of your Instagram app. Now these may be the reasons why your Instagram may not be working. So once you've done all of these steps, your Instagram will surely work from now on. So that was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.